Hi there, and welcome to RECOM's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, RECOM has you covered. On this episode, we'll be discussing our newest addition to the DC-to-DC portfolio, the RECOM R05CT05S. Peter, what can you tell us about this one?
Well, Jeff, this is a 500 milliwatt isolated DC-to-DC converter. It comes in a compact SOIC16W footprint, which is typically associated with ICs.
Okay, so it sounds like it's going to take up very minimal board space.
Correct. So it's only 10.3 by 7.5 millimeters with a height of 2.6 millimeters, so it's very low profile. It makes it a good fit for those small IoT devices.
Fantastic. And does it require the same amount of design work as an IC?
No, not even close. And that's the beauty of this part. So it is basically a complete solution. Engineers only need to add a few passive components, and our datasheet already has these values laid out for them.
Okay, much easier than going discrete. You mentioned that this is an isolated DC-to-DC converter. What can you tell us about the isolation on this device?
Yeah, glad you brought that up. So this part has reinforced isolation, which is rated at 5 kilovolts AC for 1 minute. So we've implemented an advanced transformer design, which allows us to deliver this isolation in such a small package.
Impressive. Does that also mean that this is suitable for medical applications?
Exactly. So the RXX-CT-XX will be certified to IEC and EN 60601 and holds a 2 MOPP rating.
All right. What other certifications does it hold?
So it's also certified to UL, IEC, and EN 62368, which covers industrial applications such as gate drivers or COM port isolation for transceivers.
Easy for you to say. So, industrial temperature range for this one, right?
Well, even better than that. So this is a very robust part. So with thermal derating, it can operate in temps up to 140 degrees Celsius. It's also very good for applications that undergo high vibration and temperature shocks.
Excellent. You also mentioned gate drivers. What specs make this a good fit for those applications?
Yeah, so it's the robust insulation paired with the low isolation capacitance and strong common mode transient immunity. And that covers a dV/dt of 100 volts per nanosecond. So pretty good slew rates there. These are really attractive for those gate driver applications.
Fantastic. Sounds like another great RECOM solution that covers a variety of applications. Thanks for sharing, Peter. Well, that about wraps it up for this episode of RECOM's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another RECOM topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing information. Our application engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@recom-power.com. Until then, have a great day, and always remember,
RECOM powers your products.